Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could easily fix if the messenger call option is not showing. So if you wanna call out someone on messenger and you are not getting the option to call them out, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply head towards your Google Play Store. From the Play Store, what you have to do is to simply tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you'll get a search bar at the top. Simply tap on that and search for Messenger. You just have to make sure that you're using the up-to-date version of the app, because updating the app usually fixes all the bugs and glitches inside the app. Once you have updated the app, you have to go back and tap and hold the Messenger mobile application. Then what you have to do is to simply head towards app info. From this pop-up, it will automatically take you to the information page of Messenger. Now from this page, what you have to do is to simply head towards storage and cache, and you have to clear out the storage and cache for the Messenger mobile application. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you.